No more raining in this house. Ever since you became my